Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Diasto. And for today's episode, brand review and hotel experience by Nature's Village Resort.
Deep within, here we go. But somehow I'm caught in
And for this episode, this is sponsored brand review and disclaimer na mga ka-nose is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to brands or taste test reviews.
Should I work
Like,
against a
comment,
drop
and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always ka notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. Kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds, ilang minutes, huwag skip, malaking tulong na yun sa aking channel. Nature's Village Resort. Hotel and restaurant is a sea garden paradise located in Talisay City, Negros Occidental, just 3.5 kilometers away from central Bacolod. Is your home away from home. Before entering the hotel, please sanitize and observe safety health protocols. For check-in requirements, just bring any valid ID and vaccination card and fill out some important forms at the front desk. After that, wait for the bellman to assist on your luggages to bring you on your assigned and respective rooms. Always secure your key cards. This is our room number 321. Our room has 2 single beds and single or twin matrimonial with complimentary water and coffee mugs. Closet includes safety vault, hangers, and disposable sleepers. Time schedules for check-in, check-out, restaurant, and pool. TV instructions and restaurant menus. Toothbrush and toothpaste kits with hand soaps, with hot and cold shower, and separate toilet area, all equipped with extra bath towel, doormat, adjustable mirror, and blower, with a great view of this hand-painted mural. And we have the best room with the best view of nature. And all of their hallways has this touch of Pinoy culture, also accessible to their function rooms for events, seminars, and other occasions, with bigger venue for big events, with wide parking lot with the beauty of greens, a very relaxing look for their landscapes. So feel free to attend their virtual mass at their chapel. This is one of the best places for photo shoots, selfies, Instagram, and a lot more. Here are some places to enjoy at Nature's Village Resort. Also accessible for their pool. And at night, after our Magic 9 vlog shoot, we're back at our hotel for our own personal photo shoots. And this is Angelkym and BiboyNatics doing their night photo shoots. At bago tayo matulog, syempre, mag-toothbrush muna tayo. Since nakalimutan ko yung facial wash, gamitin natin yung hand soap. At meron din silang hair dryer or blower para matuyo yung buhok natin. So see you again tomorrow. Let's call it a night. Good morning! Since nag-morning shoots na sila, BiboyNatics at Angelkym, mag-morning coffee muna tayo. Since walang electric kettle dito sa room, punta tayo sa hallway para sa kanilang water dispenser. Available sa hot and cold. Yung 3-in-1 coffee, pinili ko pa sa 7-Eleven. Yung nagustuhan ko dito at mamiss sa Nature's Village Resort is sobrang cozy, relaxing, at sobrang ganda ng nature sa labas at mga designs sa loob ng hotel. At after natin mag-moment and mag-enjoy sa place, ubusin ko muna yung kape ko. At punta na tayo sa ating breakfast sa Village Restaurant. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ito yung complimentary breakfast coupon, the Village Restaurant breakfast menu, at ito yung overall look ng dining area of the restaurant. Kain tayo ng tosilog. At syempre bago tayo mag-check out, double check natin yung mga gamit natin. At linisin yung room before checkout. Clear for checkout, and last outro before we go to Iloilo. Bye! For more information, menu, and other details, I'll provide description down below. A for rating manos based on experience and overall review with Ilonggo vloggers will give it a perfect 10. For Nature's Village Resort, ito sobrang na-amaze kami when it comes to your overall appearance for its natural and environment vibes. Magpasalamat ako sa Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko, kay Ilonggo Kuya, Angelkym, PedaLangga, BiboyNatics, and Francis Garcia official. Thank you so much for assisting and joining me for this wonderful experience. Sa lahat po bumubuo for Nature's Village Resort for an excellent service, outstanding foods, memorable and superb hotel stay and experience. Once again, congratulations and thank you. Stay safe, manos. See you in the next brands, places review, or do it yourself episodes here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!